Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have got a domain on GoDaddy and want to connect it to Squarespace, you are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Squarespace in just a few minutes. Whether you want to link it automatically or manually, let's get started. First of all, log into your Squarespace account and go to your website's dashboard. Click Settings, then select Domains and click Use a domain I own. Now let's connect GoDaddy. Square lets Squarespace Squarespace lets you connect GoDaddy automatically in just a few clicks. Enter your GoDaddy domain name and click Connect Domains. A pop-up will appear. Click Connect from GoDaddy, log into your GoDaddy account and authorize the connection. Click Save and wait for DNS settings to update. This process uh, takes a few minutes to 24 hours, but your domain will be live soon. If the automatic method doesn't work, you can connect your domain manually. Go to the GoDaddy dashboard. Then Domains. Click Manage DNS next to your domain. In Squarespace, select Connect manually and you will see DNS record. Now update your GoDaddy DNS settings with these values. CNAME record, enter Squarespace's unique value, a records, replace GoDaddy's a records with Squarespace's IP addresses. Save changes, then return to Squarespace and click Verify Connection. This may take a few hours to go live, so be patient. And that's how you connect your GoDaddy domain to Squarespace in 2025. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.